Taming the tile. Simple cleaning tips for beautiful tile floors. Homeowners in Surrey with tiled surfaces. Are you tired of struggling to clean different types of tile floors? Well, worry no more. I'll share some simple tips to keep your floors sparkling. A spray microfiber flat mop is perfect for all tile floors. Just fill the reservoir with the appropriate tile cleaner. Using a combination microfiber pad, gently mop your tile floor. This will remove any dirt or grime without damaging the tile's surface or the grout. Let's start with ceramic tiles. A general-purpose ceramic tile cleaner will clean your tiles without damaging the grout. If you have porcelain tiles, use a residue-free porcelain tile cleaner. With polished porcelain, you may need to buff with a dry mop head or a towel. And for those luxurious natural stone tiles, avoid acidic cleaners. Instead, use a pH-neutral cleaner specifically designed for stone floors. Natural stone is porous, so make sure to remove any spills immediately to prevent stains. If you have an acrylic topical sealer on your tiles, use a tile maintenance cleaner. Regular use will also help to reinforce the protection. With vinyl tiles, avoid strong cleaners as they can degrade the tiles. A mild vinyl cleaner won't harm the tiles. If your tiles have a surface dressing, use a maintenance cleaner to help reinforce the protection. And there you have it. Cleaning different types of tile floors made easy. Say goodbye to dirty floors and hello to a spotless home. So, what are you waiting for? Start cleaning and enjoy the shine. For more amazing tips and detailed instructions, check out our site tilecleaningsurrey.co.uk. Happy cleaning, Surrey homeowners! Do you need professional help? Trust our team to deliver exceptional results and make your space shine like never before.